Hi everybody, this is Aggie and today I have a very special video planned for you. I am going to be doing an unboxing of a Rocketbook product. This is something I've been really looking forward to making and doing, so I'm super excited. Before I move on to my unboxing, I have a really big request to all of you who chose to tune in. It's going to be afternoon in the UK, it's going to be morning in the US. If you do like my videos and if you do enjoy them, if you are an interpreter like me and work in public service interpreting, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm destroying my setup, never mind. Please, if you could consider subscribing to my channel, I will be so very grateful. I am just a small budding starting up creator. I do really enjoy creating those videos. I really love talking to people about my experiences. YouTube allows me to do that, but I would like to grow and I would like to reach more people, and I would also love to do live streaming videos, and Q&A is something that I've been thinking about for a very long time, so you can share your experiences with me and hopefully I can share useful experiences with you. So please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. We're going to go into the unboxing in a moment, but before we do that, I would like to tell you a bit more about why Rocketbook. Paperlessness is something that I've had on my mind for quite a long time. You can actually find the whole beginnings of trying to use as little paper as possible in the Paperless Challenge playlist. I'm going to include the link to that in the show notes. Basically, I tried to curb my rampant consumption of paper and my relentless throwing and shredding to the point where I actually broke my shredder. Yes, this happened. I actually shredded so much that it stopped working, and all that kind of spurred me to try and find alternatives to paper. So I've been posting on quite a few Facebook groups about my methods of taking notes without paper, and someone actually recommended Rocketbook, and I bought my first Rocketbook in, I believe it was February this year. Core looks like this. Core essentially has dotted lines, and then I kind of moved on to using a slightly bigger one, which is now my content planner slash mind dump slash space for all sorts of ideas, not just to do with social media and posting, but really anything and everything. And it looks like this. This is the Rocketbook Fusion, and I also decided that I want to move on to something sustainable when it comes to planning, basically keeping track of my work, and this is the Everyday Rocketbook Planner. Here you can actually see what kind of Rocketbooks are available. This is a UK website of Rocketbook. Here you have all the notebooks. You can take a peek inside, you can see what they look like. This is kind of what it looks like, it shows you here. And you can also take a peek inside. These are all of the planners. You can see what they look like on the inside. And these are all of the accessories and bundles. So accessories are things like pens, pen stations, cloths, beacons, a think board. Also, you've got all the bundles here. So I have mentioned teaming up with Rocketbook, and indeed I have something very exciting to share with you, which is my unique discount code, which you can use in the UK, Europe and US shops. The code is Aggie10. All caps AGGIE, or Alpha Golf India Echo if you wish. Basically it gives you 10% of your purchase. And now I'm going to show you how to use my discount. So let's go into the checkout. If you type in my unique code Aggie10, so Alpha Golf India Echo 10, and apply, you get a fresh spanking new 10% off. So you can use my unique Aggie 10 discount code in online shops when you're buying your Rocketbooks in Europe and in the UK. However, there are a few things that you have to remember if you are using the code in the US. So first of all, the code is only going to be valid until the 20th of November. Your minimum spend is $25 and you can't buy pens, so notebooks only. But I will be putting all this information in the show notes slash description of the video, so you can find all the details there. And without further ado, I am going to be really excited, and hopefully I'm not going to injure myself while opening, unbagging, unboxing my newest Rocketbook. So let's go. So I've got my scissors and my envelope, and let's get on with the unbagging slash unboxing. This is very exciting. I love opening parcels. I usually just rip them up, you know, berserk, wild animal style, but this time I'm going to try and be a bit more ladylike and use scissors. So here we have our Rocketbook Mini. So this is my Mini. I have been thinking about getting a Mini for quite a long time, and my Mini is going to replace a whole stack of these. And let's have a go at and see what's inside. All of your Rocketbook purchases come looking like this. They come in this envelope. So let's see. Hey, it's teal. It's one of my favorite colors. Not sure if you can see it. This is so cool. This is the notebook itself, and here we also have a pen. So when you get your Rocketbook purchase, make sure you don't just throw away the rest of the bag because your pen is in here. This is a standard black friction pen, rubby thing. It goes into my recycled pen holder. This is something that I made and sanded just from scrap wood. So this is where all of my pens, highlighters and felt tip pens live. And let's just look at the notebook itself. It looks quite small. I have really big hands for a woman. And inside we have a little mini cloth. This is really cute. All of my other ones are quite large, like this. So this is really cool. I can just whip it into my bag and just, you know, keep it with me. This is basically what the Mini looks like. It's got faint dotted lines. It's brilliant. It's small, it's portable. If I am going to be going into town, hopefully when I'm allowed to walk, I'm going to be taking this with me to put in errands, places to go, and I won't have to rip and fleck and throw away. So these will be, you know, just for things that I actually want to keep forever, and for things that I'm not going to just discard. So this was my Rocketbook unbagging, unboxing, opening video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to use the code. It's Aggie10, and you will be able to get 10% off your purchase in the UK, Europe, and in the US, with the proviso that you have to spend a minimum of $25. You can't buy pens, and the code is only available until the 20th of November. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.